Many people are aware of the sherbet served at Paramount, but is it the only thing Calcuttans look for? Calcutta's love for sipping history at Paramount is one of the main reasons for this 103-year-old establishment. In a rapidly changing Kolkata that sees new restaurants open every month, Paramount has held its own for over a century. Just a stone's throw away from some of the city's oldest educational institutions in College Street. In North Kolkata, this 103-year-old sherbet shop is a landmark in itself. It was opened in 1918 by Nihar Ranjan Mojumdar from Borishal in present-day Bangladesh, who relocated to Kolkata to make a living. Majumdar was a member of the Borishal branch of the Anushilan Samiti, a revolutionary organization that operated out of undivided Bengal. And after he moved to Kolkata, he continued his participation. Apart from selling glasses of cold sherbet, the shop also opened up its back rooms as meeting places for revolutionaries and freedom fighters. The history of this establishment is found in his diary, which details his participation in revolutionary activities and talks about the people who found refuge at Paramount. My grandfather came to Calcutta for employment, but the main purpose of this shop was to give shelter to revolutionaries, says Partho Pratim Mojumdar, who is 51, who is currently runs the shop along with his relatives. He took license for dealing in arms along with license to sell sherbet. Plots to overthrow the colonial government are no longer hatched in Paramount's back rooms, but little else has changed here since it opened. The small space is crammed with marble-top tables and wooden benches, compelling customers to sit close to each other. On the walls are framed black and white portraits of Bengal's icons, Rabindranath Tagore and Acharya Prafulla Chandra Ray, many of whom were regular customers at Paramount themselves. The shop had 3 rooms. In the first room, guests were served. The second room was preparation room and the third room was storage room. Many revolutionaries escaped the eyes of British officials by hiding behind the gunny bags loaded with fruits. The floor of this institution is drenched in the blood of many wounded freedom fighters. The British government banned the book Ogni Bina written by Kazi Nazrul Islam. All his books were dumped at Paramount. There are many such stories. Paramount is one of the few shops in the city that still sells only sherbet made with syrups that are created here. These recipes are well-kept family secrets. Not surprisingly, the shop is busiest in the long, humid and hot summer months, when people queue up outside of their turn at some refreshment. While the menu reflects the change in seasons, Kesar Malai, made of whole milk, sugar and kesar, is available in winter. For example, regular prefer the classics. The most well-loved drink is the ডাব শরবত।
আচার্য প্রফুল্ল চন্দ্র রায় বিখ্যাত বৈজ্ঞানিক সায়েন্টিস্ট উনি এখানে আসতেন। উনি বলতেন যে একটা ফর্মুলা দিয়েছিলেন যে এইভাবে ডাব শরবতটা আপনারা বানান। সেই ডাব শরবত বানানোর সিক্রেট হচ্ছে, যার জন্য এখনো চলছে, উনি বলেছিলেন যে তখনকার দিনে এই দামে চিপ এবং নিউট্রিয়েন্টস, তার জন্য ডাব শরবতটা উনি ফর্মুলাটা দিয়েছিলেন বানানো। এখনো চলছে ডাব শরবত, আমাদের সিগনেচার শরবত এখনো।
The ice cold sherbet made with coconut water comes with thick curls of sweet coconut flesh, which is scooped out and eaten with a spoon. According to Paramount's owners, Ray created the drink as an affordable option for the students who were the establishment's most frequent customers. In pre-independence India, the sherbet would cost 4 annas, but today it costs 70 rupees. If you are in Kolkata and decide to visit Paramount, this delicious and famous Dab Sherbet is a must try for you. The oldest drink in the shop is the green mango sherbet, a thick lassi-like drink made using fresh yogurt, sugar, salt and ice. along with 1 tablespoon of their special syrup that stains the liquid a fluorescent green. The shop has operated at the same address on Bankim Chatterjee Street since it first opened, and its sherbets are not available anywhere else in the city. We try to keep the food value. We have been asked to open the shop elsewhere, but we have no plans, said Patho. The only modernization that the owners have made allowances for is home delivery.